Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Cruze Premier in the Mosaic Black Metallic. This one is powered by a 1.4 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides, and at the bottom left you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system. Of course, right below that we have our volume scroll wheel and our climate controls right below that. Of course, we have our 2 cup holders, our shifter, additional cubby storage, and more storage here inside of our middle console. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our power locks. Down here you'll find our automatic high beam controls, and moving along to the right hand side of the steering wheel you'll find our menu selector to go alongside our voice recognition, and on the right hand side you'll find our cruise control settings as well as our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in rear view camera. And down below we do have our push to start ignition. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior leather seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, down below we have our USB charge port, and in the middle you'll find our cup holders, as well as these seats are retractable with the controls up top. Just pull the lever down and this will give you access to the trunk area. Checking out the exterior here on the Chevy Cruze, we do have our gold Chevy bow tie badge in the middle with our LED headlights. Moving along to the side here, you'll find our 17-inch rims on our Arctic Vision tires, chrome accents along the windows, and our door handles with keyless entry. And if you make our way to the back here, you'll see we do have the Cruze badge on the left, the Chevy bow tie badge on the right, and the Premier badge on the right-hand side as well. Opening up the lift gate here, you'll see we do have plenty of storage and space inside of our trunk to go along with our spare tire underneath. And that is our 2017 Chevrolet Cruze Premier in a Mosaic Black Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.